Always kids, welcome back to Strands Lighting Division's YouTube channel. Today we are here with a massive project. It's a Ford 250. This is the motherhood of all cool Fords. And in Sweden they're really rare. This is 1 out of 4 that exist on the market in Sweden. We have taken the chance to make a super cool project of this car. We have started to pimp it up with the best light we have. I have a Ford, but it's the Ranger Raptor, and that's like a Fiat Punto in comparison to this one. So I don't feel so manly since the Super Duty Ford 250 entered my life. We have in the front Night Ranger with long distance beam, 1 lux in over 900 meters per light. Have a look here, it's a Dark Night Gloria. Super cool light, and it's almost invisible. And here on the car we wanted to give you a nice feeling, so we have put it 2 on each side. And what is nice with this is that you get the low position of the warning lights. That's create a nice harmony together with the rest of the car. Hang on here, let's see what we have more. This is a next level work light. This is 6-inch. This family you have a 6-inch, 9-inch and 38-inch. And it goes from about 3,500 lumen up to over 32,000 extra lumen. That is out of the world. We have 3 functions in the position light. You have amber, you have white, and you have red. So you can mount this all over the car. So what we try to do here, we have make a mountain by the A-pillar. It gives a nice wide beam on the side of the road, which is very complementary to the driving light. So you get both the ditch close by and a distance beam that is over 1,000 meters. I told you guys that you have different colors here. Join me, I'll show you how it looks. Here you see how same product, next level 6-inch, but with red position light. It's looking amazing. And that's what I say is one of the biggest things for us with the Siberia series is that you have the position light is matching up. No matter if you have a Night Ranger, no matter if they're the next level, no matter if you have a LED bar, but you have all is matching up with the same cool position light. The beam pattern for the next level is unique because it creates such a wide beam and no shadows. And this product is perfect, fits on a pickup, fits on an excavator, fits on a truck. Wherever you need it, it's the right product for you. What would you be if you don't have any cool warning lights? You have seen the Dark Night Gloria in the front, but on the roof you must have a roof bar. On this one we have installed a cruise light roof bar. This is a 120 centimeter wide roof bar. We have them from smallest like 30 centimeter up to 180, so it fits whatever vehicle you like. You can use our wireless control to steer it by data, so you can go cruise light mode like we have here, which is actually the coolest mode you can have, according to me. Go in on our website and search out for which size that fits you. So cruise light roof bar is an awesome thing. And if you have a light commercial vehicle like a Caddy, Sprinter, go in and check on our news and you will see a super cool engine where you can choose model adapted fitting for your car. This amazing Underglow, I have it now on all cars and it's fucking beautiful. The Underglow, look here, powerful, gets a super even nice light. This is my absolute favorite thing nowadays. You know, everything gets better with Underglow. It's not less is more, it's more is more.
More is more.
I love the Underglow. So if you have a Fiat Punto at home, don't wait. On top of that, how nice and sexy isn't the Dark Night Slim here? The position light, it makes a pickup what a pickup is. You look for Unity interior light and then you find the red one. That's the secret for Underglow. We have a super cool feature. We have built it in the Siberia multiple option in a way that is, you know, it's you use your breath because it's so cool. This is built into the tow bar. We have all the functions you need. It's E-mark. You have tail, like we see here. We have brake. We have reverse, and this model we choose to go for warning light, not only for indicators. We have 2 options there. The multiple option is a product that you can fit everywhere and it gives you an awesome look. So now we are just in here in the car, it's not on yet. You have the big screen here, I think it's almost 12-13 inch. You have a power supply, 12 volt or 110 AC. When you put it on, you do like this, the seat goes forward. To have preset the shares, so you or the wife or whatever your company is, you can have your own presetting. This is also really cool with this car. It's so wide. The console here is super wide. The cruise light fits perfect here, so you have the nice control here. It's very easy to put here. Fits perfectly in this compartment, so to say. We have all the climate control. You have all the options in the screen. Wow. On top of that we have a nice panorama view. It gives an amazing light into the car. And of course you have the 4-wheel shifting here, and you can take 1.5 ton on the back of the or the pickup, or you can carry any trailer you like with this one. Guys, this is all for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Give us your comments if you like what we do. Join us for the next episode.